Accident there 401. Me say me not surprised. That the highway there. Me Lord, me body. Me say we travel the other day on the highway and me say all me hear is boop. When me look before me see the van a twist and a twist and a twist. All of a sudden it kink over and it's a flip cross the highway. From the fast lane to the shoulder and flip over. Bam, panny back. Me say, oh, me could have screamed, Jesus! That's all me could have said. Did you stop? Stop for what? And tangle up in that. You know, here side the 401 with there. And a side road business this, you know. No, sir. Well, did you call emergency? Yes, Natalie. We call the 119 and the 911 because ambulance have to come because me sure no say somebody dead in that. I don't know what I would do if I saw a dead person. Me no scrimmage when I come on to them thing there because when I look on it, death are the new life. And the new life is good or bad. And it depends on your life. But me know say my life good.